Hello guys, and welcome back to another video. And in this video we're going to be making the crochet spiral wind chime, whatever you want to call it is up to you, but by the thumbnail you understand what I'm creating today, and if you stick around you can learn how to create it yourself. So the first thing we're going to do is chain 70. One, two, three, four, five. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so we have chained 70 chains. So you're gonna take your new color, or if you want to stick with this color, that's up to you. But I'm gonna start off with an increase in the color that I'm working in. And you're just gonna put 2 double crochets in the next chain. And before we complete this one, I'm going to cut the string. And I'm going to change the color. So I added my next color on, and what you're going to do is you're going to put increases all the way down. So that's 2 double crochets into the same stitch or chain, if you will. So that's what you're going to do. You're going to double crochet all the way down. If you would like to pause this video and come back when you're finished, there's nothing wrong with that either. But I'm just going to double crochet all the way down. Putting 2 double crochets into each chain. So come back when you're done. As you can see, the more you double crochet, it starts to curve, and that's exactly what you want. Okay guys, so for the next round, you're going to put, it all depends, up to you. You can put up to 4 or 5 double crochets into each cluster, each increase, if you will. So I already have 3, so I'm going to put 2 more, and that will be 5 for me. So I'm gonna do that all the way down. I'm gonna put 5 double crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. As you can see, it's already starting to bend up a little bit. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna speed this process up for you guys, and then I'll show you what it's looking like. guys, so this is the final project. This is what it's looking like, and I'll show you